Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. I'll bet you've never given it a second thought to how your shower head connects to the water line behind the wall. Allow me to show you. The gooseneck pipe attached to your shower head screws into a 90-degree drop ear behind the wall. This new product from Water Armor is made in the USA. Starting with brass rod through production, it is all made on American soil. I love using American-made products because I trust their quality. This new Water Armor brass drop ear satisfies the Uniform Plumbing Code, and best of all, it's made from silicon Eco Bronze. Eco Bronze is so reliable it passes many of the plumbing regulations across the country. The Water Armor drop ear connects to standard copper tubing with solder. If you're a DIYer, you can create leak-proof joints with little effort. You'll find it far easier to solder the Water Armor drop ear in a horizontal position. Allow it to cool, then fasten it to solid blocking no less than 78 inches off the bathroom floor. Water Armor also makes an assortment of other consumer plumbing fittings, so be sure to tell your plumber you want these amazing made in the USA eco fittings by Water Armor. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com.
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.